Fleet Cost and Care, we make fleet management software products to help everyone in your company work faster, easier, and smarter, no matter where they are. As a manager or owner, do you have a high-level view of everything happening at your company? Can you react to things before they happen? And is your staff spending too much time sifting through whiteboards and reports? Or engaging in never-ending conversations about your daily operations? Our next-gen and Atom software products give you a full view of every aspect of your business, 24/7. With one click of a button on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, you can easily track all of your people and fleet resources throughout the day. You also get real-time intelligence that lets you see patterns and trends that can negatively impact your business. Our easy-to-use products are designed to simplify all the job functions within your company, including sales, dispatch, service, operators, and clerical. We streamline every step, so information only needs to be input once, and everyone can see it and use it to keep work flowing. Our software saves you and your team time and money and helps you think about more important things, like profits. Call us for a free demonstration on how any size company will see real benefits and savings by investing in fleet management software from Fleet Cost and Care. You already work hard. Now work smarter.